Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 screen dimming issue. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, if you are using dark mode, then switch to light mode. And after that turn on adaptive brightness. Now go back to settings and here scroll down and now click on battery and device care. And now here scroll down and click on software update. Now here click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating, go back to your home screen and swipe down and then click on this icon and restart your mobile.